Then this year, today, you will not be happy. You will not be happy at all. Obi a so abokro no. Biden kojina court painful. Aye hwehwemu hu sebda bi papa no wa asem yi ano. Ye to abama mahama so mra medi president ya. O se papa na wa bokro no. Wa jana asem de ama no. Na mbom no o san abona baso. Na baso body o de man say onkoye the governor of Bank of Ghana. Enye comedy. Is it not a comic? And somewhere my boy no ane minimum badua mutrafo ai ye ne mu nyine ba be chen sem we yafa ne adodojo ho. Don't stay anywhere or don't sit anywhere and think say because you see inflation about from because you see dollar to cedi ne bo na about from say your economy is doing well. They are just lying to you and they don't want you to know the truth. Because in the media, the mainstream media na war my no. Ya the omuna ye campaign mahama bedi akonya. Enti na mahama ti akonya no. They are paying them. They are giving them money not to talk about the realities of the facts. Not to talk about them. But you know what? There is something about the MPP that keeps me always being supportive of the MPP. You know, the MPP today in opposition, our messages are constructive. Your messages, you know, and in the opposition now, you take it, say that is where we are going to stand up to 2028, you know. You fire the end your propaganda and kwasiakeka. We are talking on issues based on fact and figures. And this is what I like because 2028, Dr. Bawumia be president here. And this cannot go on social media to bring out videos of promises and people make here maybe in 2029 yet to mean deliver. We are talking about facts, how to do things well. We are putting NDC in order any time because a Ghana mino ekwahuhihiemu ahuchiremua ekame ekawo etobia. So what we are doing is to prevent Ghana going into more difficult situations because the MPP has the man and the men are there to bring back the elephant to the Jubilee House in 2028. No propaganda, no mischief, but only fact and figure issues. And MPP December Akonyam 2029. A Ras Media GH. Your life, our YouTube, and a Sansuo life, our Facebook. Meso say a free now subscribe to my channel, become part of this community. Like the video, share the video, and leave your comment at the comment section box so that we can read and we can greet you. Yamfancha, Ematie Fokakra, the back into the studio. Me mame amanya ko me chia ye pa mame Diana Pia me chia ye pa Frank Afo me chia ye pa ena me anka se me nua baba akopɛ nana akua afro papa bi me chia ye pa ema wakwaba mame Diana spero stai bene sta lavorando vero va bene come si dice buon lavoro yento aso ne nko yanim abusiamfo papa na ye fe ne kwadwo ponkroma. See, MPP have the man. Either you like it or not, we have the man. Kwajo Ponkroma de Semnubia Begua Bontin concerning the Bank of Ghana. The lost our Mwameki. Now, when we talk about state capturing, it was one of the major accusations, and this are binded to another than Kwakufu. But if actually we want to identify people who are practicing state capture, you can never exclude this current administration. They are taking over everywhere. the the judicial sector and this for the omuni na akotena ho. Our economy now first na ye cocoa economy, ekuyadwuma economy anama obi bia tuminya bi edie no ya shifted from collective economy no to 4 or 5 people's economy. Aye good. But you mining site, you are not part of the economy. No, Ibrahim Mahama no na commande. Yento asuri yenko yanim. The financial sector no. Also na NDC for there. Also mo no more commande. And I Mahama or the president. And I want the parliament. NDC has the super majority. We are doomed. Yahoo. Yahoo. So these guys are doing essentially whatever they want to do. Where's a Bank of Ghana, any political party, an institution for the country is supposed to be neutral. Bank of Ghana, ni statement I was saying ka fanko enkoma ban empaying for nanka ban paying for fako parliament di home komono. The Bank of Ghana give reference to NDC party, not to the country. How can you present the state of the Ghana bank affairs to a political party rather than okay, thank you, Gap. Rather than to give the documents to the public, to the country, the Bank of Ghana gives documents first to their party, NDC, and then later they bring it out to the public. Is the Bank of Ghana for the NDC or is for the country? It is for the country. So why should you have to give annual report to your party before the people who maintain the bank with their taxes or mutia, before they can be aware of what happened last year? This is to tell you that gradually NDC is taking over everything in the country. Radio, TV, everything, social media, they are conquering. They are trying to overcome on everything. The financial sector, they are hiding the truth from you. Also, where education sector, one day came, the education sector was one of the best education services in the whole of Africa. And they are saying, now look after smart to agriculture. When these guys came, cocoa farmers were rich men. Abro farmers, they were making money. Cashew farmers were good. Abro for good. And more farmers, they were doing good. Bayere Akuafo, they were doing good. Bordia and Asifo, no, they were doing good. And Crofo we buy, Omo crania no di firamano ne ba. Na de ya produce no locally no go na pro. Adwe money. Rodens breso adwe money no. Eno a ne kita NDC for me pemene. Na ne nkwase asem bia mahama aka de. In any case, let's remain at the bank, at the banking sector. So there be any confusions on what we are talking about. Me also Anthony Mwakwaba. Mama yenka the financial sector. We don't want to bring in other topics. If not, we may have a little bit of disorganization on our topic of the day. Entimen kasamfa video be about Tabontina, Mahama can say, if it was Jerry Jones Rawlings' time, they could have arrested everyone. Now, Mr. What opposition? Now, Unim said there was a constitution that you have to follow. And I'm Bonten accusation. I'm going to arrest this person because he has steal. Now, Unim. Yantu aso. And for your Bank of Ghana is broke. And then, what they are going to CD to dollar. Go back, go on your Google engine, research engine. Google no koso. Na today CD to dollar to CD rate. Now how it is jumping. Artificial manner of managing the economy, and it doesn't work. Ghana for we are not going to eat inflation percentage. Oh. We are going to eat what we can actually afford. Now we catch them say inflation go from. Now me ye baba. Now me nya light ya. How important can that inflation reduction no? It cannot be because I don't see any. I don't have the money to buy the things. The things are this is because this issue of reduction of inflation, the stability of dollar, no, artificial. Ghana is only losing money just to make sure say the CD will remain at 11 to $1, and we are pushing money instead of using that money to make people find jobs in the country, to create opportunities for the people in the country, to solve some essential problems. I know to me revive the economy. No, I'm a jina nine so akoye nimu ye. They are not doing that, but they are rather pushing and pumping money, making a lot of losses. Yeah, Boka 44 billion Ghana cedis here. 44 billion Ghana cedis. Big push, you know. Huh? Big push. Say no more 73 million. 73 billion or more big push. We are talking about 44 billion. What the Kanhuanka is saying, 120 billion. You can beat all the roads in the country. But what has happened? We are spending sikati say so because mahama dia we tax and they are spending it without not thinking about where the monies came from and how some people suffered before they got that money to pay the taxes to the government. The reality is that NDC don't want you to know. They don't want you to hear. They don't want people to talk about the mismanagement of our financial sector. And Hong Kong. Yahu the ekoso energy sector. Yahu the ekoso education sector. Yahu the ekoso agriculture. Yahu the ekoso cocoa farmers. Amanfu esu. Yahu the ekoso our health center. Agenda 111 hospitals. So we have left them in the bushes. Nurse Fuesu, Dr. Fuesu, these people are gradually destroying the country that Yeura Nanado Dankwa sacrifice his privileges to make sure say things will go in order. These guys came and they're only thinking about how they can enrich themselves, their family, and their cronies. On what has actually happened at the Bank of Ghana. If we are na mama kwai na abadwam fom yenubi adjoin me oha. And if you are there, so don't go to anywhere. Stay here. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Frewadam for somra. Frewunya somra. Nene. Ras media so fire them. We are coming to give you the most hidden things about the financial sector since John Mahama took over this country as a president. In fact,
when they made the content creators, it wasn't about no problem. We are crampon charge you with that one, but they feel the need to explain. The reason for which 15 billion, maybe 15 billion is because that is a propaganda they want to put out. But the truth, and that's why we did the press conference in Bra, was that when you download the account and you go into it, the loss is nothing less than 35 billion Ghana cedis. And so 35, you to me actually the entire you use the expression nothing less than 35. Ushe mankasa loss near 44 billion Ghana cedis.
And no, I've gotten if it will be a forward soft copy now, Mrs. I don't know, sir. We're 136 pages.
136 pages. Okay. That is the one we downloaded from the Bank of Ghana website.
Okay.
So it will be called down. Say it will be withdrawn. That's what the full account. We have the first one, so you can always come back to it. Now let me take you to page 5. Page 5 of the accounts. Okay. So permit me on my hard copy. I say. Yes. Page 5. Okay. I want to be who the friend headline loss. Nti wa say ho. Ubonso mestiti headline loss no wa say ho. Eno ya he. Inti first of all there's the bank and then there's the group. Yes. So you said the bank is made up of the bank and some subsidiaries. Sure. Okay. Sure. Inti ko group ne side the headline loss ne ya he. And that is from this side, right? Okay. In the group side no. Headline loss for 2025 15.287.911 billion. Afikwasi, read the next line. The next line is transfer to General Reserve Fund. Transfer to General Reserve Fund. And also 2025 14.982.578 billion. Leaving a balance to be carried forward on retained earnings of 647.544 million for 2025. Okay. Yes. Afi, so crowd soft copy now. Let me take you to page page 16 of the Central Bank. Okay. Page 16. My highlight it. Top line, first line. Okay. And in the headline. Yes. Headline loss. Loss for the year. Good. What's here? 2025. 15.300.513 billion Ghana cedis. And for is it the bank or the group? For the group. Okay. And for the bank, no. And also 15.630.122 billion. Nti enona NDC for the year propaganda say that is the loss. But that same page 16 yes, we say my highlighted two other figures. And there were because comprehensive income for the year net of tax. Good, because on my accounts, there were operating account which shows the normal Ejuma Bank of Ghana. Any award the other comprehensive income account, other Nema Omuya any part of Omo core activities. Into what has happened is Omo core Ejuma Nkasa Omuye no. Yes. Omo Boka 15.6 billion Ghana cedis. What they are hiding from you, Nise, Uko sa page 16 we say so the other comprehensive income no. Ehonomu make loss. But loss no one here. And also loss no for the group. Yeah. For the group here, 19.888.779 billion Ghana cedis. That's for the group. For the bank, 19.322.253 billion Ghana cedis. And this is also the actual loss of the central banker. For the bank, 15.6 plus 19.3. And we pay 34.9 billion Ghana cedis. But on say because omoye propaganda, omama bank impeni for nankasa mambe kano krenintino. One here unko kankre they are watching press conference NDC party na beye say omboka 15 billion. But the 19 na bete other comprehensive income nemu. The 15 plus 19, and I make a choice nothing less than 34.9 billion cedis. That's the loss. Why is there a difference in this figure? Because they are doing politics with it. Senkamuma Bank of Ghana Nankasa Tony echo through the process ebe present here. I am not sure said the governor will come and say 15.6. He will say 34.9. But because of more politicizing, no more person on 2 foot rogun for anything, and I'm number point 15.6. We'll come into the details. Now, 34.9 we ankasa.
But your tia 70 year pa 10 year. One say, yes, I see an ear cassette. Sa good board no more teno. A chrono juma kese pa no more ye. People said, say, and I'm MPP for now. I want to find check as my mammy Vivian Kuma. The more pa. People came out to say, some MPP for and I'm more criticized here buying without any info. 10 year. A man for see that be good near Cotan near town. Near sign the scanner by market, the other system num. Enti enyeka that be we spend that money just to omoboa lost a chronobono mobile tie a papaya smoko can we tree mu kama I don't need to explain before no can almost there be good board and you say your first sikana near koto agu ye the koto gold na ya ton na ya san sikana na ya san the bus system no bra no kure say omoto gold omoton a no mo sikana mo the bus system no. But by doing what they are doing now, they are creating losses for the state because God board a juma for almost a come, almost patrol, almost office, almost light bay. They have cost to sir. It does not need it because your PMMC precious mineral commissions. But let's create job for the boys. Let's make Mahama family become the richer person in the world. And you know, you're creating this thing now. What is doing to the country called Ghana and say they are actually making us more poorer and poorer. Now, yam konem koko tie press conference so asema Kojo Ponkroma Sankane ho, a higher brofum, Timianum, Miawasum Natibi. Na we are, Yasan Abba Studio. George, Miss so why you ready? Prepare home. Young commerce is here.
Between the two parliamentary caucuses over the Bank of Ghana's financial accounts as the minority claims a staggering 44 billion Ghana cedis loss in 2025, far above the 15.6 billion Ghana cedis figure reported by the majority. The minority says the headline figure reflects only operating costs and does not fully capture other components of the accounts. Addressing a press conference, ranking member on the Economy and Development Committee, Kojo Nkrumah, accused the government of employing what he described as spin doctor tactics and clever accounting to mask the true figures.
The government and its spin doctors, led by the NDC party officials who did that press conference, are trying to convince the people of Ghana that the loss is 15.6 billion Ghana cedis. And colleagues, we don't blame you. We've seen many of you reporting that the loss is 15.6 billion cedis. We regret to tell the people of Ghana that this is not true. The true operating loss of the Bank of Ghana for the year 2025 is 34.9 billion Ghana cedis. And in fact, if you add back the sale of the gold or the proceeds from the sale of the gold, the 9.6 that I've just shown you, the true comprehensive loss position of the Central Bank of Ghana is 44 billion Ghana cedis. I'll show you with the numbers. As I've mentioned, that gold sale was to reduce it from 44 to 35 and also to remove the policy insolvency that they found themselves into. So I'll take you into the numbers on the next slide. As I mentioned earlier, the Bank of Ghana has employed a combination of artificial revenue recognition on one hand and clever accounting on another hand to try and cover up this loss.
The minority also criticized the process through which the accounts were made public, accusing the majority of breaching provisions of the Bank of Ghana Act.
When the NDC party, including non-MPs, came to Parliament, to the precincts of Parliament to hold a press conference to announce the audited accounts of the Bank of Ghana, was an illegality. Not only was it an illegality, it was an amount, or it was an act of blatant politicization of the Bank of Ghana and its work. The governor, the board, and the government should take note that this politicization of the central bank will create issues for the operational independence and credibility of the bank going forward. And this must stop.
They argue that the underlying figures point to a situation of policy insolvency.
Policy solvency reflects the capacity of a central bank to finance the full cost of its monetary policy operations, principally open market operations and other liquidity management instruments, from its own internally generated income without recourse to monetary financing or extraordinary government support. And this is how it is measured. It's in their own account. It's the difference between the operating income from core activities and the interest cost of sterilization instruments. So when you take all their revenue and then you take out their core cost of sterilization or open market operations, if you are in the positive, if you have surplus, then the Bank of Ghana is still policy solvent. If you are in the negative, then the Bank of Ghana has become policy insolvent. And we regret to inform you that despite all the propaganda, if you look at the numbers, for the first time in our history, the Bank of Ghana has become policy insolvent.
In the coming days, the minority is expected to put forward its recommendations to strengthen the bank's financial position. For Joy News, Michelle Latte.
Yes, Miriam Timiyepa, Felix Apia, political zone, Miriam Mwakwaba Yepa. I want you to listen to this, what Kojo Ponkroma said here. Or say, this is the first time in the history of our country, our beloved country. Ya mine, yesika krabi ankasa yefene Bank of Ghana no. Nehoka ebro nisika so. Tiemiye. Ebin sida. Say, Bank of Ghana nankasa na ete hono. Nisika onya ni the whole year. Na juma oye ye mfasu onya ye. Okika bo mu no. Oti free. Ajuma na oyo no. Cost of doing that at the end oyo no. Oti ne mfasu no. Oti ajuma na oyo no. Every ne mfasu no mu a enye ye ka eda chire. Ebin sida. Are very dangerous. I didn't tell me catch say Ghana's economy is falling apart again under Mahama, but ebia na unyanti asie. Mamen kansen binchiro. When we started the show, I told you about how John Mahama 2012-2016 otimikatana ni ema the financial sector na say ye. Na sabre numuno. Na eye banks no, individual banks ne cooperative ni SPS you can say shareholders bank na asefo no omo na omo problem omo ye insolvent omo ni sika na omo ka epro won faso so. And look at how Ghana suffered in that period. Abrana Bank of Ghana na there na oneka. Look at how our economy was jeopardized. Look at how we were not able to sleep in with electricity. How we were not able to have light in our homes. How we were not able to even feed ourselves. Look at how our hospitals, our roads were deteriorated. Sabre numpono. Na Bank of Ghana, anyhow, na yede other banks na Bank of Ghana they provide the more regulations and sikana na asefo no. Those were the banks that were suffering. And look at how our economy turned into. And now I know say no. The reality is the central boat, it is not tightened. The central boat, no, it is not tightened. A Bank of Ghana na ankasa. And now I know say, Odeka, kana odeno, on to me any day. On to me so it is a Bank of Ghana deka. Bank of Ghana ni sika onya. Intimi money na kong homa. how can the Bank of Ghana then sustain the other banks? You know? He cannot. And this is to tell you, say, Ghana is heading towards a particular economic crisis. Let me tell you, before 2028, this economy of Ghana will collapse again. Enye duabo na mebo. Enye duabo na medebo. Enye dua na medebo Ghana mine. But these are the realities. These are facts. These are things that is going to happen. Let me tell you something. Si ebani e kan kire say ye ni sika ye de beto aduane ama the free SHS ye friend is saying students na enya bro, there is no money to pay for food for the school. Sika na ebi ni ho ka wo ho, but they don't want to tell you. Tiemiye pa. So what sort of now is a teacher for ye ntua wonka for more than 1 year. And you say be a sikane big good or mon farmer or more. Sikane be ni ho. So what is a nurse for? And I'm a team say ye ntua wonka for long time. And yes, sikane be good or farmer or more. Sikane be ni ho. And Nessa would assume more tiemiye. Uda sumu ene, uko store, it has shut down. Obabarin shop, it has shut down. O ice water business are now bo asay. O ice kenke, ice cream for mojuma say bra. Let me tell you the reality. Enye meter bi, enye transmitter bi, enye cable bi, enye primary bi, and I say your connection of electricity to your home. Ghana buying ayewra mahama ne dano oni sika or the better fango e de generate power ama wanye bi edam tiemiye hey wore munyanti bibiase Ghana for ndisi for munyanti bibiase ahokyere na ekoso ho no enye se obi ahyeda se oye obi abro enam lack of management yen kan se consciousness intino enam incompetence intino sikana o se nka omontoto mfanye de sene fatano. They are using the money to do things ehun hia eso ne mfaso. Ebini the artificial control of CD to dollar rate, inflation. They are spending the money just to reduce inflation. They are spending the money just to make sure, say, dollar rate will come down. Listen to me very carefully. I'm not praying. I'm not making fun. Me funny maker. Me comedian. I'm not interested in gossiping. I'm telling you the fact, the truth, the reality, the state of Ghana's economy today. And I'm making sure. Whatever you are seeing across the country, it is the consequences of incompetency. It is the consequences of negligence. Because the NDC is part of this populist type of political party, you know. So what they want to do, what they want to present to the people is creating impression, optics, and a friend. Yeah, man, yet said ye be okay. That is what the NDC actually likes to do. Ito mo betena akonnwa mu no. Sa 44 billion na omo ahye ne kwa. Se de be ya amanfo betumi akotena radio so aka kire say inflation aba form. dollar about 4 montino. And I'm saying 44 billion no. That money could have been used to pay teachers, to pay nurses, to pay young kind of saying school feeding program. They could have used that money even to complete the agenda 111 hospitals. Yap ye jayegu ngurema sise imprempre negum. That part of the 44 billion no, can be used, could have been used to buy fuel and gas to produce energy. So benye biada. But because they have misappropriate their priority, Amasasikana nankeye meant for a specific kind of saying things to be done. No. Ama sabri sikana was saying kayem fanya dia was saying fanya no sikana akwa were buying gold and selling gold and trying to bring down the inflation and the dollar rate. And then a buaka yasimo ene just 1.5 year of governance menti bida wagana abakusemu. Everybody in the country is crying. Jaruko kwapia memo akwaba. Everyone in the country is crying today. Ghana for muntimi ye pa. Muntimi ye. Uo sika, don't send your money to the banks. This is my personal advice that I want to give you. Say uyobia esha ohun kakra. Na wo sika popoto bia waboabo ano waye adwumadene ama won saka. Brother, don't take that money to the bank. And fan to bank because ene bank kuradu sika koto amfaso e wo so na hu hia tie ene. So the 1,000 Ghana cedi e koto bank. So the koto are buying the thresholds for 1 year. 1,000 Ghana. What the command buying son Jim Fanya Juma. Now after 365 days, or do sika mawa mfaso de be ma on 1,000 Ghana 50 pesos. Enru one Ghana cedi mpo. Enti amfa usika nko bang ne enkoto aban threshold enkoto ehu hia. Because fashion is so. Said that ubenya 10 Ghana cedi, every Ghana buying ho ene because wakoto a buying bond no. I was say we invested 20,000 and so what to mean 10 Ghana cedis. Now 20,000. How do you want to sell personal business in 1 year? Do you know how much money you're going to make out of it? Do you know how much money you're going to make out? Oh, they got to turn toes na beton. Do you know how much money you're going to make out of it? And folks can go to bank say they go to hokwa there be and fan to ho because how our name is sikono we are going back to 2012 2013 whereby now do sika koto banga it becomes even difficult to take your money back. That is where we are going. And if you are a smart guy, listen to me carefully. I'm telling you the truth. And fa usika nkoto bank o de ko afuom fa roba hye ho kotutu fom na fa hye ho temiye pa kotutu fom na fa hye ho because we are heading towards a situation whereby your own money out there to bank they will not allow you to take it because there will not be no money to pay you back your money that you have put there just to keep it as secure. Into the fakwa foam, per rubber bina fashim na chechere hu ye. To the fa rubber bese 4 or 5. Chechere hu ye mani munye drupa pinting. What to do from no dia sheho na wakata so. Ode bokofi kurasi so. Na asabon fa na asabon ko. But se unim na do sika koto bang say wom. A day is coming whereby you cannot take your money from the bank. Because the financial sector today is broke. It's broken. There is no way they can solve this problem. There must be a circle before they can solve it, because 44 billion lost in just 1 year. No, to recover that lost, no, it will take you a lot of time. And in any case, remember, say, the gold board is still keeping on buying gold, doing what they did in 2025. That brought, and then they are still doing it today. And as years go by, no, Bank of Ghana, Nekano, it is always going to be bigger and bigger and bigger. Until you sika kotohwa, you will lost your money. You are going to chop it. And then, asem we are making Yewura Mahama abe confirm. Yewura Mahama abe confirm say afiwe or see no government employee. I see afiwe nipa aban and afamo adwuma mo ye adwuma no. Monfantu mutimu say there is no going to be any adjustment of your payment. As a Chinese say, ene. Yewura Mahama say, sa 2026 way. Hey, adwuma bi a wo ye ma aban bia no. Don't ever think, say, there will be any increment. Say you better work at him and see that. Say you better discuss about the good your condition of service or see a being see. Yewura Mahama being an waka or wanka se ne bejina bontembe kaye. I'm talking about the President of the Republic. He is the one telling you, say, forget this year. There will not be any increment in any public worker's salary. You cannot discuss it. That is what he's telling you. And he said, the papa ne kano. Sento asum. Na also on tiasia. He wa kasa wa asem. Say, upon all what the man is saying. Usi unjini say no kure say the Bank of Ghana. Say the Bank of Ghana is broke. Say usi unjini ya. But the metumia be manwa catch on say the Bank of Ghana of today is broke. Yente kwa jo ponkuruma biem na yensan emra na memebo video wa mahama catch Ghana for say wa we adwuma ma ban bia no. Forget about your condition of service. Say ye be di hon komo, say ye be ma wa intumu, say ye be peja wa usika wakatua kosoro de. Mahama say just forget about it, because the economy, the financial sector of your country is broken. What do you think?
Tal has been said, so gold, no. Bank of Ghana at Shell said, as part of our portfolio management, and the co here say I was say omo eton, because as a central bank, no, there is a percentage of omo revenues be also mutimi ekipi in some of those assets. Omofisa na akosrododo. They have to diversify and sell. To them a part of our normal operations. How do you respond to it?
Me na now tete me. Oye fantini.
Yes.
Ufi abrase buku amakeses. Me ma me fantini.
Sure.
Me na chere me fantini. Osi iyo no ye ehruda hurada.
Ehruda hurada sem.
Fantini osi iyo no ye ehruda hurada. Smokes and mirrors.
Really?
I'm telling you. I'll come there.
Okay.
But I'm saying to you, say we saw gold sale nifima.
Yes.
Their policy insolvent. Now let me take you back. The person kai 2025 and komo bia minu di with them.
With them has sure.
Minu di komo mi ensa. 3 interviews.
Yes.
One was on the losses that were being made on the gold purchase program.
Yeah.
2 was about the sterilization as a tool for mopping up excessive liquidity in the economy.
Okay.
And 3 was about the unexplained sale of 50% of our gold reserves. Obakaya, getting to the end of the year, after September, October, almost 50% of your gold reserves.
Hey, Gab, just let them
At the
finish
time,
and I'll send you.
and nobody could understand why they sold 50% of the gold reserves when there was a policy to actually accumulate more gold. At the time, Nomukachen said we are over concentrated in gold. In gold near about 40% of your reserves. Into Muton they are cash.
Yes.
Then very quickly they came back with what they call gun wrap. Say gold no matter crown. Say so I'm buy back that gold and more.
Yes.
And who had the pricing now? The price of the new gold they were going to buy was going to be higher than the price of the old gold they had sold because gold prices were rising. So everybody was wondering what informed the policy decision to sell the gold. Sir, explanation said, na yaye over concentrated in gold. Frantini because oil who da rather. Bank of Ghana omu prepare management accounts every quarter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September.
Yes.
When in September they compiled their management accounts, we know an authority said that is when they knew they were policy insolvent.
And now so
When did they sell the gold?
Last quarter.
November, December, no gold. No. It was after September management accounts by who said they were policy. Year page 1 when who said they were policy insolvent. Then they quickly decided, they said the only way is to introduce a new revenue line. That is to sell the gold. So that story they told us said they sold 50% of the gold to rebalance the portfolio. Now the evidence is here. And there are notes from the auditors. That explains it is a one-off sale.
KPMG
I will find the notes for you. Say it is a one-off sale. Before we finish the show, I'll find it for you. It's not a regular idea. They can't be doing it every time. Now next time, what are they going to sell again? And first of all, the press conference which politicized it sought to hide the real loss, which is 44 billion.
34.
No, remember? 44 billion.
Okay.
But has been reduced by 9.6 billion because of salary we are to 35. And 35, no matter no 15.6. Abesha headline. No more than 19. Ako share other comprehensive income. Now I'll prove it to you. Go to page 17.
Yeah, in the way consolidated and separate statement of financial position as of 31st December 2025.
Simply produce the balance sheet of the bank.
Yes, yes.
Into also accounting equation, no, you say asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. Into person balance we say assets now on one side.
Yes.
No capital and liabilities on the other side.
On the other side.
Okay. I say how my highlight net equity.
Yes. Yes. I think there is total equity here. Total equity for 2025 for the bank, 96.276.379 billion Ghana cedis.
Back for the group.
For the group, 93.818.395 billion Ghana cedis.
Now, this is for 2020.
2025.
For 2024, what was the total equity? By the way, this 93 now can a negative 93.
Yeah, negative, yeah,
it is in brackets.
In brackets, yes.
What it means, what it means, they say, and ne Oko Bank of Ghana accounts ni more. A J3 share Bank of Ghana, one J3 na share. 2 bank ne deka 93 billion Ghana cedis. This is what it means. As at the end of 2025.
Yes.
Back of 2024.
In the 2024 for the group, 58.621.042 billion Ghana cedis, and also here in bracket, it means it's a negative.
This is what it means. As at the time when NDC are buying taking over the Bank of Ghana, now a car bank ne de 58 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
After first year of operation, okay, can be bomwa bank ne balance sheet a kana peja could do 93 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
So phone no calculator also.
And that's some 30 something billion more.
No, they're calculating. And Kasache with T4. Me can be because of politics na me. 93 minus 58.
Okay, into 93 818,395 minus 58,621,042 in the amount of 35.197.353 billion Ghana cedis.
35 billion Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Me some another assignment. 15.6 loss now Mokano. Plus 19 loss now me match so they are cut and also add the money. 15.6 plus 19.3.
Okay. Into 15.6 plus 19.3.
And we are here.
34.9.
Round it off here.
That's 35.
Indeed, material say, Obi catch us a Bank of Ghana car a 15.6 or your truffle.
Okay, it means say 35 billion way no.
Yes.
That is the subtracting 58 billion from 93 billion.
Afi ma menchiro mu. Uko bank ne balance sheet na afi bia say o make you profit so the ko akọ o equity position.
Yes.
Who make you loss abekọ akọ TFM.
Yes.
Who say who make you loss 15. Ada na uko balance sheet no 1 for 15 per can 58 no now dey 35 na account because who make you loss 35. Now who didn't throw who the 19 na kote other comprehensive income. That is what exposes you. So if you don't cast the accounts again and put the two together, you will notice almost 35 billion. Now I make a choice 35 no crano 9.6 bishimua gold. We free more and 44. It is obviously on Tiasia said dentina yen press conference say Bank of Ghana ne kanankasa they understating it is because so when your propaganda now I could download the account now calculate here ubo say can 44 billion. I've just demonstrated it to you on there. I've also told you point number 2, and I regret to say this, that the bank is policy insolvent. The only way they covered it up after September was that Omoton Ghana gold half. Yet crazy, say Busian gold cry the Jawa, ultimatum half the school fees. Yet the Akonian gold Jawa, ultimatum half say na roof ni leaking maton half ediato roofing sheet. Ebusian for better was here. The Central Bank of the Republic is telling you, say, or more than half for portfolio
management.
Meanwhile, I also more accounting for profit on it. Because I'm catch say, oh, ton gold, no, and de sikano mnya no, $1 account in him. A banana if you're more accounting for profit on it. Say profit, no, Nababe can more my policy solvent.
Policy solvent.
And Tienra, a press conference here, and if I you decide this I am fire recommendations nenka ho. Yes sir, assembly baby breed.
Yes.
Until Wednesday you bear another one near the recommendations no abeka. Me ni Gideon Boakon, Dr. Amin Anta, o me na abeka on Wednesday. No, they were not in town. That's why they were not with me. But first part no one near Tremo say me sa propaganda na menti. Number 2 a cano 44. Number 3 bank has now become policy insolvent. They have to sell gold before they retained solvency. Now, a central bank that needs to sell gold before it becomes solvent. They are only living on borrowed time. Was any money ye politics no? Ye jitum said there's a problem. Now you fix the problem no once and for all. And yes sir, they be not na ebe bakwa mi bu ni say so ma me ewu. Now so wada. Ebe bo 6 PM obi abekọ na ma me ho akọje aduane. Eho na obi ho.
Yes, abusian fontina de yewia kwadwo opon kroma ewo eka ede kire yen na yate. Now, let's get deep into our story and enjoy better of it all. Me de miwia ba kon aba a esesia oba no abebo wude mu ha na ye ne no adi nkomo kakra. Eye miwia Gap Media. Pacha munyina mwate ensema kojo ponkroma kaye afi ye be bye bye mu Gap ajabe mo akwaba. Hello
you so hume
me hu ye obi ahu
yeah because me hu other side
other
yeah me hu main studio but it's okay me it's fine. I'm okay.
But can't you see the two interface?
Nah, I can only see it on Facebook, on YouTube. I can't see it anywhere.
Oh, this is very bad in any case.
Quiet.
Yeah. But if I'm what
Oh yeah, I'm holding on.
Well noted.
What I say na hammer.
Oh,
I just will who say my back camera so.
All right. Yes, enti abusiamfo. Meso se fe na waba transe na yemfa dwumade ne mra. And I want to read some little bit of messages here for you. Jawdu kwaku say hi